Look at this baby. He's practicing his flying. He's looking at himself and he's practicing his flying. Oh, hi, baby. Are we flying? Are we flying, baby? We gonna fly? Oh, okay. He wants to fly. He wants to fledge out. He wants to fledge out. Look at that baby. Ooh, he wants to fly. Ooh, look at that baby. Ooh, he wants to fly. That baby wants to fledge out. Wants to be a fledgling. Look at that little baby. They gotta clean. Oh, he's got a potty stuck on his feet. They're gonna clean you up. Here we go. By the way, I always like to say his age, his or her age, 26 days old today. Hatched out 26 days ago.